I'm not gonna have any friends now. Kerrigan? Look, come see what I got. It's so that I can see to do my stitching. Hands free. Okay,
Yeah.
how do you turn the light on? Oh, look out. Oh my god, this is really cool.
Look straight ahead.
This is so much easier, and I don't have my glasses on. I don't need my glasses. I've been using this because my light broke, so I've had this one. This is cool though, I like it. I'm like, I can use my hands. I'm not having to balance this thing in my lap anymore. I like this.
Hi guys, this is what I wear when I cross stitch. So you get a 1.0 magnification, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, and a 3.5 magnification. The ones I use all the time are 2.5. Just put it over your head, of course, adjust the headband. And then you can move this up or down, this back and forth, and it is ready to go. Oh, except for the LED light is right here, and you just click it forward to turn it on and pull it back to turn it off. It's fairly bright. It works great for me because I've got my magnification, I've got my light that's centered in this area. I really do like this a lot. I like not having to mess with the big lamp over me, over my work. Thank you for watching, and happy stitching. And if you're Susanna, happy knitting and happy crocheting.